Hello guys, welcome to this video. Welcome to the great video. I recommend you watch this video thousands of times and practice. Write your opinion about this video. Downtrend line strategy. Downtrend. Red line. Look at red line. One touch, two touch. After two touch, active strategy. Look at the chart. This area, this point. One touch, back price, go buy, two touch, this area. Look at the chart. Back price, go buy, three touch, active strategy. Yes, continue. Look at the chart. Look at the candle. Next candle, red candle, continue. On red line, continue. Yes. This candle, red candle, on red line. Open position. After this candle, open position. Next resistance is take a profit, is profit. Continue. Go buy, this point, go buy. Yes, continue. This point is next resistance is the best profit, TP. Continue. Next candle. Look at the chart. Yes, take a profit. This point, take a profit. Look at the mouse, take a profit. One touch, two touch, after two touch, three touch, active strategy. Active downtrend line strategy. Yes. One touch, two touch, three touch. Look at the chart. Downtrend line strategy. Active after two touch. Yes. Three touch active strategy. Downtrend line. Go another example. This point, red line. Look at the red line. One touch, two touch. After two touch, active strategy. Look at the chart. Downtrend line strategy. Look at the red line. One touch, two touch, three touch. After two touch, active downtrend line strategy. Continue. Look at the chart. Look at the candle. Next candle, next big candle, red candle. Continue. Next candle, continue. This candle. This fat line. Back price, return price. Go buy, yes. Look at the chart. One touch, two touch. After two touch, active downtrend line strategy. Yes, good strategy. Good, very good. Very good. Look at the red line. One touch. Back price go by. Two touch. After two touch, active strategy. Two touch. Return price. Back price. Yes. This point go by. Look at the chart. Downtrend line strategy. Active after two touch. Continue. Please look at the chart. Look at the candle. Continue. Another. Yes, this candle. Green candle. Fed line candle. Return candle. Three touch red line. Yes. Back price to local resistance. This area. Look at the mouse. Please look at the mouse. Continue. Yes. Take a profit. On the local resistance, take a profit. Yes. Next local resistance. This area, this point. Take a profit. Continue. Please look at the chart. Look at the candle. Back price. This point, back price. Return price and take a profit. Active strategy, take a profit. After two touch, active strategy and take a profit. Yes, look at the red line. One touch, back price, go buy, go sell, two touch, this point, two touch, go buy, back price, return price, downtrend line strategy. After two touch, active strategy. Yes, this point, active strategy. Three touch. Yes. Back price, return price, continue. Look at the candle. Next candle. Yes. This candle. Green candle, return candle, back candle, back price and go buy. Yes. Next local resistance is a best TP. Yes, continue. Yes, take a profit on local resistance. This area, design local resistance, design zone. Yes, look at the chart. Please look at the chart. Take a profit and continue. Downtrend line strategy. This position, take a profit. Best position, best profit. Yes. This area. One touch, two touch, three touch. Yes. Look at the red line. One touch, back price, This area to touch back price. Yes. Period downtrend line strategy. Continue, continue. Continue. Yes, yes, yes. This candle, green candle, return candle, back candle, back price. Go buy. Go buy next resistance. Local resistance. Yes. Very, very good. Very, very good. Look at the chart. Downtrend line strategy. Red line. One touch, two touch, after two touch, active strategy. Yes. Very good, very good. First, test in the demo account. Write your opinion about this video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. Thank you very, very much. Thank you so much.